Good morning, everybody. So right now, guys, I'm literally sitting here. I don't know if you can tell. Oh my word, I didn't even plan this. Cactus Mug and Cactus FabFitFun box. So I'm sitting here by my window and I just wanted to take some time to show you guys the FabFitFun box for like spring or whatever. You're probably wondering, Tabitha, why are you in this random kimono thing? This actually came in this box and I'm obsessed with it. It's so cute. This is actually just like a normal like cotton fabric almost. So it's from the brand called Show Me Your Moo. I at first had thought that said like mum and I was like, that's so weird, but Moo-Moo's even weirder. Guess what? So like you can add things to your FabFitFun or whatever. So I added this. It's the Boss mug. Look at how cute. It literally says the Boss and it's like pink and I was obsessed with it and I was like, Dad, look at what mug I got. And he was like, you're not allowed to get any more mugs. And I was like, shh. I only ordered one other extra product and the other one was this brand called Aqueous Prime or whatever, but it's pretty much like you spray this in your hair before you take a shower. I don't really understand this part, but I actually got it not for that, but for the hair towel thing that came with it so that I can wear coconut oil in my hair before I go to bed like once a week to do a deep conditioning treatment. Also, it's pink. Are you guys seeing a theme? Like, I don't know. I'm seeing a theme. This reminds me of Dorothy, Wizard of Oz. Look at all those bright colors. I feel like we're in Oz already. And then you open it up and I love the inside. I feel like, why did I pick this angle? The box is not the most important thing. It's what's inside the box that counts. I got this water bottle. I was a little bit concerned when I got a water bottle because like they said colors were gonna vary and I was like, I'm very particular about what colors of things that I own, you know? And so I was like, actually, I don't mind this. I'll use it when I go to teach class and I'll have a water bottle or maybe I'll gift it to somebody. Next thing I got was one of those dry brush things and I was so excited because I've been wanting one of these for my shower so that I can like reach my back and I can like get off. You know how you have like the little itty bitty tiny pimples? You can just literally brush them off if you needed to. Like you scratch it and they just come off. That's what I'm so excited to use this for. Like use this on my feet because I get the randomest calluses on my feet because of doing aerial. So excited about this. This FabFitFun actually seems to be like really beneficial in the fact of like these are things I needed. Another thing that's super nice is just this normal like body lotion. It's super strong, orange flavored, and it has bergamot, which is a type of essential oil as well. Again, this is super handy dandy because I use lotion every night before I go to bed on my hands because like I can't stand having dry hands when I'm going to sleep. I hate it so much. So yes, this next thing I got a champagne charcoal scrub. I know we use charcoal for everything nowadays. My friends and I were talking about that the other day. We were making jokes about it, but like I've never used a scrub, so I'm excited. Next product I got was Oyui. I don't know how to pronounce this brand, to be completely honest with you, but anyways, it's a leave-in conditioner and like my sister has the dry foam and I love that, so she got it in an Ipsy bag and so I was like, ooh, this is gonna be nice. This is a Wild Rose vitamin C brightening sleeping facial. So you put it on before you go to bed and you leave it on, which I'm so obsessed with. I love sleeping masks. The winter box, I got this conditioning mask for your face. Conditioning. It's supposed to be like very moisturizing. And so you leave it on either 3 minutes to 5 minutes or you can leave it on overnight. And I love how my skin feels when I leave that on overnight. If you go to bed and it feels like obviously like you have like conditioner literally on your face, but then when you wake up in the morning, it's completely just, your skin just soaks it up and your skin feels so soft. So I'm so excited for this because vitamin C brightening, and it's rose. The packaging is the cutest thing. Like, let's open it. Okay, I did it upside down, but it's fine. And like, it looks like there's not a lot, but it goes all the way up to the top. It just has a really tall cover. Last product I got, I'll go grab it in a second, but pretty much it's like a doctor created it or came up with a formula, and it's one of those things where you put it underneath your eyes and it helps with your dark circles. So let me go grab it. I'll be right back. It's pretty much called No More Baggage, which is so funny, or baggage, sorry. It's the accent with those big words. It's literally the cutest thing and I've been using it every morning. So it's actually like a pretty good full-size tube and you just pretty much squeeze a little bit onto your finger and it's pink and you're supposed to warm it up with your fingertips and then you just pat it on right over your eye area, and within like 3 to 5 seconds I actually feel like a slight tingling sensation. You know how when you put like mint like chapstick on your lips, it's kind of like that. It like burns for a quick second and then it stops, and I love it. And I've actually been trying to wear less concealer because I don't like the fact that my concealer can like clog my pores right here and I seem to break out when I work out with concealer on. So the more often that I can just put this on and it has like a pink tint to it, I think it really helps. I like actually recommend this. Like I really enjoy this. These other products I haven't really used yet because I ordered things separately. So like because I got the mug and like the hair thingy, whatever, they sent me a free deodorant. So it's the brand like Love Beauty and Planet, and this smells amazing. It's Lang-a-Lang and coconut oil. And so it's pretty much, it's one of those deodorants that doesn't have aluminum in it. And so what it does is it doesn't stop you from sweating. It just tries to change the smell of your sweat. So when you use like something like Dove deodorant, what it does is it actually tries to prevent you from sweating, which is, I mean, it's totally up to you whether you want that or not. Those deodorants have aluminum in it. And so aluminum is not necessarily very good for your body. It's been connected sometimes to causing cancer. I don't really know all about it, but like I still use Dove, but I also use this. So now I'm happy for that because I've tried to use brands like Tom's or like Jason's because they have like no aluminum in it. But the thing is like I smell. I know like people say like detox, you know, like do it for like a month and then you'll stop smelling, and it's just like I don't know if I can go a month smelling, to be completely honest, you know. So especially because like I'm on like a co-ed volleyball team now, so like a young adults team, we just play volleyball against each other on like Fridays. Our team won our last game, so yeah, like I came from 4 hours of teaching aerial, and then I had a volleyball game, and then afterwards I went to church. So it's like I can't risk smelling like poop. But anyways, this smells amazing, and it actually does change the smell of your sweat, but like I would have to apply it a lot more. Like it says 24-hour odor protection, and it's like, I don't know, but it works. This works probably the best out of all the no aluminum ones that I've tried. Also, look at this. Have you guys heard of like Romwe, where it's like that online company, or like Shein, you know, Zaful, stuff like that? So there's this company that reached out to me, and they're called Rosewee. So instead of Romwe, they're Rosewee, which is, I thought was the cutest thing. They actually sent me one of their clothing items. It's on my rack back there. I'm gonna grab it, but I'm gonna share it with you guys, so then I'll put the link down below if you guys want to check them out. It's a pink fluffy sweater, which like, if you know me, like I've been talking about this whole video, I'm in love with pink right now. Look at how fuzzy it is. Oh my goodness, it makes me so happy. Look at how stinking fuzzy I am. And look, it's like almost like a dress length. Like you could almost wear this like a dress. Not that I would, but I love these little tie things. I think it's so cute, and it has matching tie detailing on the top, so super cute. It's quality. It's actually something that's not thin. It doesn't have the fuzzy material on the inside, but I don't like fuzzy material on the inside because I feel like it just collects my sweat, and then it's just like damp and it like touches you. Like that's just gross to me. So I love the inside of this. Also has a fuzzy hood. Look, look, look. I love it. It's just the cutest thing. Cute girls put it back a little bit farther, don't they? They do that. Love it. Guys, guess what's here? Amazon package, but I'm gonna actually see if you can guess. Okay, so it's one of those things where you're on Pinterest and like everybody uses them in pictures because it's super cool and you put quotes on it. Did anyone guess what it is? It's a letterboard. Ooh, so nice. Hey, look, it has like a little stand if you want to stand it up. Oh, buddy, there it is. Yaddy, so cool. Sorry, my room is such a mess right now. I've been doing the whole like Marie Kondo where you like organize your stuff kind of thing. You get rid of a lot of stuff. I'm kind of just doing like miscellaneous like keepsake stuff right now. And apparently it came with over 600 letters, which is so exciting. Oh, there's like little cute ones. Ooh, let me open this. Ow. It's stuck in my hair. There's 4 of these letter sheets, and each one of them has a ton of each individual letter. And then look, it comes with like little emojis or like little moon and a star and a musical note. First, I have to figure out what in the world I'm actually gonna write on the letterboard. Give me 1 second. Let me find my phone. That one's so funny. I'm sorry I didn't answer my phone when you called. I don't use it for that. So sad. Roasted. It's funny because I'm honestly that person. Like I do answer my phone, like phone calls I'm good at answering, but like text messages, I'm not very good at answering. When you decide to have a cheat meal and all of a sudden it's 3 years later. That's so funny. Are you supposed to get a scissors? Why don't I know this? Oh, you probably twist them. Watch there be like a much easier way to get these off. Guys, I literally finished this. So proud of myself. And I did it upside down. Mom, Dad, I put it upside down. Why do these things happen to me? Look, like here it is.